Hi, my dear friends. Welcome to HT Bulls and Bears Analysis channel. This channel is for stock market tech analysis. Before going to today's content, you please refer the following disclaimer. Thank you, my dear friends. If you are new to my channel, you please subscribe this channel. Also hit the bell icon. Please hit the like button and share this video to your friends and to your social media groups and all that. Okay, dear friends, and you can also join my Telegram channel. This is the Telegram channel ID. I will be posting this ID in my description box. For earning and learning purpose, you can join this channel. That is, before going to the video's content, please remember the following disclaimer, that is, whatever views I am posting, it is only for my observation purpose and it's only for learning purpose. If you need to take trade, you can consult your financial advisor and based on that you can take up the trade. I am not recommending you for any buy or level, sell level. Just I am giving and I am making my point, that is at what level I will buy or at what level I will be selling. I am giving on my own observation and my own views, my own opinions. If you need to trade, it's your own risk. I am not responsible for your profit or loss. Okay, dear friends. That is, today's video is about free earnings in stock market, intraday views on February 8th, that is for tomorrow. Daily I will be giving two stocks to trade for tomorrow. That is, at what level I will be buying and at what level I will be selling based on the chart patterns. As I am a price action trader and advanced price action trader, so normally I will not follow this indicator based at all. I will be following only either price action method or advanced price action method like demand and supply zones and all. Okay, dear friends, that is based on that. As daily, while accessing few charts, I will be coming across two charts with a very good chart patterns. Okay, so that is the thing, I will be posting my own views for tomorrow, at what level I will buy and what level I will be selling. Okay, dear friends, this video, before going to today's two stocks, before going to today's two stocks, on February 4th, I given two stocks to trade for February 5th. Okay, what are the two stocks I given? One is called ICICI Bank. Okay, I told that is ICICI Bank is the first stock I given. First we will see whether it is triggered or whether it is a stop loss, whether it is a target. If it's a target, means how many target it is, that we will see. That is on February 5, it is a highly volatile day. Why? The reason, because that is on the day, but it's a particular budget, technical analysis and all won't work. Despite of that, what has happened? You see, dear friends, I given my buy level. This is also main banking stock. Okay, because February 5, monetary policy declared around 11 o'clock. So high volatility is expected on the particular time. Despite of that, what has happened means what has happened we will see. I told you to buy above 632. Okay, I told to buy ICICI Bank above 632. See, this is the first candle, 9:15 candle. I will zoom it out and I can see this is the first 9:15 candle. Opening price. So what is the opening price? You can see that 628.30. This is the first candle. No, first candle opening price is 628.30. Okay, what is my buy level? Buy level is buy above 632. Okay, it qualifies because buy level is lesser than opening price. So that is it triggered. Whether check it out whether it triggered or not. I told you to buy above 632. Okay, first candle I made only 631.40. Sorry, 631.40. So till 9:30 it didn't triggered. After 9:30, that is second candle, 9:30 to 9:45, it triggered. And you see what is I made? I made is 635. So what is the target? It hits the target number 1. Okay, it's very successful. It is despite of the volatility due to due to monetary policy announcement by Reserve Bank of India, it hit first target. Okay, anyhow it's a meager profit only, but anyhow it hit the target, it didn't hit the stop loss. Okay, in a stock market, that is always we should lock in smaller profits also. We should know how to book small profits. Okay, because in monetary policy announcements and all, we cannot expect more profits. We want to safeguard our capital. Okay, that is the thing. Risk management, I will make a separate video on risk management. Okay, dear friends, but it didn't hit a target 2 and all. Target 1 only. I is maximum 635.30. So target 1 only it hit. Okay, dear friends, what is the second stock I given is Siemens. Second stock. You can please check out the earlier video. That is which video I have posted on February 4th. Okay, so please check it out. That is on February 4th. That is I given one more stock called Siemens. Okay, Siemens I told you to buy above 1880. Okay, I given you to buy above 1880. But you see the I itself, Siemens stock I itself only 1868.90. Okay, you can see it. You can check it out. What is the I made? I made is only 1868.90. So it didn't trigger at all. Okay, this stock didn't trigger our buy above level. So after 2 stocks, only 1 stock triggered and it target 1, that is ICICI Bank. This Siemens stock didn't trigger. Okay, so we can leave it. Okay, dear friends, for tomorrow, what are the 2 calls I am going to give? That we will discuss now. First one is about Asian Paints. Okay, why I selected this Asian Paints? Asian Paints because it formed a very good descending triangle. We can call it as descending triangle. See, this chart patterns will be and all. I will be posting a video. Okay, those chart patterns and all. I will be posting the videos in the coming thing. But before that, that is I have posted 2 videos today on candlesticks. Please refer those, and if you need any doubts you have, you ask me in the comment box. Okay, dear friends. See, it formed a very good descending triangle. What is my sell below level? For descending triangles and all, we should go for sell only. Okay, low. What is the low? 2370 is low on February 5th. So for tomorrow, February 8th, what is the sell below level for me? It is 2365. After hitting 2365, okay, it should sustain for few minutes. Suddenly, if it hits and it should not go up, it should wait for few more minutes. Okay, 1 or 2 minutes or 3 minutes, maximum 3 minutes. We should check out whether it is hitting that level. It is there. It is sustaining in that level. Only then we are supposed to take entry. Okay, I will be taking in that manner only. I am giving all my recommendations only on how I will trade. Okay, I am not recommending you to buy or sell. Please observe it and learning. It's only for observing and learning. If you want to take up the call, it's your wish. I am not recommending it. Okay, sell below. What is the sell below level? 2365. After triggering, that is my target. I will be waiting for 2355, 2345 and 2335 are the targets. After triggering and sustained for a few minutes, after triggering it's sustained for a few minutes, but it reversing, my stop loss is 2390. Okay, I will be exiting strictly, that is on 2390. Okay, you can take the screenshot for this and you please check it out for tomorrow. Okay, you can check it out the power of price action. Okay, dear friends, this is first stock, and the second stock what I am going to give you is HDFC Bank. Okay, HDFC Bank, after posting a strong returns or strong profits, that is still it is in uptrend only. So this is also called a triangle, symmetrical triangle. I will be giving only for buy above level because it is in resistance level. That is the reason. Okay, buy above. What is my buy above? That is I made on February 5th 1680. So tomorrow if it hits 1620 and sustain for a few minutes, I will be punching my buy order, and target 1 is 1628, target 2 1635 and target 3 1640. After entering and there is reversing, okay, then my strict stop loss is 1600. Okay, dear friends, all these videos are for only for education and learning purpose. So you please observe. If you want to trade, it's your own risk. Okay, my dear friends, I am not giving any recommendations. It's only for education learning purpose. Thank you, dear friends. See you in the next video. Thank you all, my dear friends.